Thank you.
Oh, let me see what you got.
Another one, I know.
Oh, nice.
Surprise.
But you're very hard to
Well, what do you like it?
Yeah, definitely.
Let me see it. Let me see it again. I grabbed it this time so I didn't have to look all over as soon as they came out.
Pretty.
Yes, it is.
Let me see.
So,
A Barbie doll.
it's the
I always
holiday.
get a holiday Barbie.
The holiday Barbie. Oh my goodness.
This chick has like long lashes that I actually read.
This chick, Barbie, you mean?
My goodness, got 2 Visa cards. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It does have long lashes.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
I really like the box.